Other Oak Park, yes. Commented alleles a big letter. Good job. Okay. Are you getting the stream? Can somebody say something in the stream if you're getting it? Because I restarted it again. It is Anthony. Okay, hi Anthony.
What recipe are you using? Mine
Heterozygote would be when you have two alleles and you could have a dominant and recessive alleles, a heterozygote. Technically, if you were doing incomplete dominance, you could have H1, H2, and have wavy hair. There was Mr. Sloan, I just saw him go by. And H1 and H1 would be straight, and H2 is curly hair. Okay, yes, I like cooking. Behind on here, okay.
Me too. It's okay.
I think community college is a great idea. It's cheaper. Okay, live stream, are you in there? Are we in?
Yeah, okay.
Are you there?
For that, how much do I put on the tray?
Oh, can I share the recipe? Yes. Are you ready? Here's the recipe. For those of you who want this recipe, I guess I could hold it up if that would help. So you need 2 1/4 cups flour. Never mind that. Ignore that. 2 1/4 cups flour, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon baking soda. That's your dry ingredients. Your wet ingredients are 3/4 cup white sugar, 3/4 cup brown sugar, and 2 eggs and a teaspoon of vanilla. Okay? All right. So I am ready. Are you guys ready to start baking yet? I am ready to start baking. Am I allowed to eat all of this off the mixer?
Yeah, make a muffin. Yes.
So hopefully everything is, oh, there you are. It is working. Thank you. Oh, my stream is behind on TikTok. Do I need to read? All right. Can't I just eat this off of here?
Our kitchen has no Wi-Fi, so I'm just sitting and
Okay.
kitchen doesn't have Wi-Fi.
Your kitchen doesn't have Wi-Fi, Bellamy? Okay, I'm eating it off here. Guys, watch me.
Just eat it. Eat it.
I've done this forever, and I'm still alive, so hopefully.
Isn't Sam no
Okay.
Hashtag, put that in the oven.
Are you guys ready to bake? Put it in the oven yet?
Wow, it's so fancy. Well, sure you
Okay. Any other questions out there? If you want, next time you should brown the butter and consistency of like the eggs or anything like that. That's what I would wonder about.
Well, someone tell me if it's right before I put it in the oven. Wait, Sherry already baked it?
Okay, done
already like on.
with mixer.
It's all right. I'm still making it.
Okay, I am a big fan of parchment paper, and I just buy it in bulk, and then
Should I add chocolate chip to a red?
I'm going to talk about the diversity is coming up. I use parchment paper, and that way it doesn't, it just comes. Hopefully you're baking some at home too. Hello, Miss Litton, says Luke. Hi, Luke. Are you making good choices? Everything okay out there, you guys?
Just gotta wait another minute. No, because my oven keeps so loud.
Are you guys out there making cookies?
We're putting milk in
Oh, cooling? Yes to cooling?
Can you preset the other oven?
Hi, Sierra. Good to see you, sweetheart. I miss having you in class this year. You are making the best choices, Luke. I believe it. Good job. Good job. I posted something about the AP exams. I don't know anything about them being canceled at this point, but look it up. I put an earlier TikTok out on that, and I also put something on my Instagram. If you have dough, show me your dough right now. I want to see your dough. Is everybody cooking? Because your screens are a little bit smaller than mine. Oh, I see. Mr. O'Hagan is making his cookies right now. Did you say hi to your former teacher? He's on here.
Does that look right?
Okay. What state do I teach in? This is California.
Wait, mine's in the oven.
Jackie, what's poppin'? These cookies and my jeans later after I eat them all. Okay.
I added some milk to make it better, and I think that
You added milk. I was supposed to eat that. That's why you.
yeah, but I just put a little bit. It makes
Well,
it
this little
creamy.
piece came off. I have to eat it.
That's the science.
You get the
Okay.
fat from the butter. You
Here are
don't.
my cookies.
How is that a cool?
Here are my cookies. Here are my cookies. I'm getting ready to put them in the oven.
Because think about it.
Can you just make the butter more?
That needs to be a little lower. It's a little too high. Make sure your oven is in the middle.
It's okay.
What do you call it, Mr. Sloan? What do you call the rack? Put the rack in the middle.
Crystal. Cheese? You putting cheese in your cookie? What
about
cheese in your cookie?
That's to set an alarm. Okay, just a quick minute here. This would be a good example to talk about negative feedback. So, and what you want to do is think about your oven. So when you set the temperature on the oven at 375, the heating elements are going to increase until they hit 375, and then it's going to shut off. That's the negative part of negative feedback, is self-correction to get it back up to 375 so the heating element turned back on. I hope that makes sense. Yeah? Okay, and then I think I'm going to get my second oven going, which I forgot to do, so I can cook them a little bit faster.
I put 4 by 3.
I love the example. Thank you. Thank you very much. All right, sorry, I need to make sure that the vanilla still tastes good in these. And it does. Okay. So I have another cookie pan. So, I gotta turn this on.
I kind of want to go swimming in the rain.
Why? With Jordan.
Is your pool heated, Jordan? Because mine is not, and that does not sound fun in the pool.
It's okay.
Put on the hot tub.
If I get sick, then I won't get the swim. I think that's fine.
No,
All right.
that's not how it
Don't worry.
works. Cookies are on the tray.
Thank you. I appreciate that. 2015 Renee. It's very thoughtful.
And Bella on. It's
Wait,
very
Lily, you think? Lily, if I'm gonna add chocolate chips, should I add it after?
And Savannah, I still have your keto cookie recipe, which isn't quite keto, but
Yeah.
it's still so good.
Don't put it in
What made me become a bio teacher?
You know,
I had somebody tell me that I explained things in a way that made sense to them. So I thought Are any of you eating your cookie dough? Because I am. What?
Should I bake a cake while I'm at it?
Yes, bake a cake while you're at it.
Do it.
Do it. Do it now.
You're supposed to be non-grease. I put parchment paper, but I don't have any.
So my honors bio students, I haven't thought out yet what our first talk is. I want to bring like a close to our the unit we're on right now. So I will live stream some lectures to you too. For AP bio students out there and honors bio students, I have pre-recorded lectures that are on my website, on my calendars. There's links to them, and on my YouTube channel. So if you're wanting, if the exams are still when they're going to go, if they still go at the same time, then we want to be prepared for those. And so you can watch those lectures and you can watch the reviews too.
Yeah, you can use it. Yeah, you can use aluminum. Butter the use parchment paper.
Okay.
The same thing. I just pan it.
Mr. Sloan, Miss Dakin just asked me if I saw Jay's email. Have you read it?
I don't think
What does it say? I ate more. Look at.
Parchment paper, non-stick paper. That's what I use.
I'm going to go over Simpson's diversity index. I mean, in a nutshell, you're just trying to have the largest number of variety of, that's what you're looking for, the largest number of variety of organisms per a particular area. And so it's not like a single species. And we can go over that on Tuesday. Okay. All right. So I just, other questions you might have that you want to talk about before, I'm going to just pull out one batch of cookies. Oh, I see. It's put out something once a day.
I literally can't.
You are welcome so much. If I had my computer here, I could show you some more things, but I've got all of my computers right now are doing these 3 different media.
I'm gonna make a giant.
Oh, Okazaki fragments. I would love to talk about.
Crystal, look, we got
Hey, those of you that are out there that know DNA replication, can you do that with me real quick? Because I've got some students who want to do it, okay? So on DNA replication, are you guys here? Can you do this?
I already made 24 and I still have more.
Okay,
to go.
24 replication. The first thing you need to do is unwind and unzip. You have topoisomerase to help with that and helicase. And then you have what's called a leading strand and a lagging strand. The leading strand runs from 3 to 5, 3' to 5', and the lagging strand runs from 5 to 3. Now, if you're wondering what the 3 to 5' means, that's if you look at the carbons in the sugar, deoxyribose of the DNA, carbon number 1 is the carbon that's connected to the nitrogenous base, and then you start counting around. If you think of sugar, deoxyribose, well, epigenetics could change your DNA, but the end carbon, are you looking at the 3' or the 5'? The 5' is like the roof of a house. So when you do DNA replication, your enzymes are very, very specific and they work in one direction. So DNA polymerase 3 can only read from 3 to 5. So on the leading strand, it can work very quickly. On the lagging strand, it has to do it in short segments, and those are the Okazaki fragments. But before either one of those can start, you have to lay down some primer to kind of get the party started. And that is RNA primase lays down primer 1 time on the leading strand, and on the lagging strand, it has to lay it down multiple times because you have to keep restarting it. I see lytic and lysogenic. I'll try to hit that too while the cookies are cooking. You lay down primase 1 time on the leading strands, multiple time on the lagging strand. Then DNA polymerase 3 works off all the primase. Once you put that DNA down, you're going to need to remove the primase, and DNA polymerase 1 will remove that primase. The Okazaki fragments need to be stitched together, and ligase does that. Then those twist up to form sister chromatids held together by a centromere that separate during anaphase. So hopefully that works. We made yeast bread today. I love making yeast bread. That's the only bread I know how to do. Okay, lytic and lysogenic. That was the first thing. So it would be so much better if I had something to draw. It could be single-stranded or double-stranded. Biosynthesis is when the virus takes over the host cell machinery. The host cell machinery, and it makes the host make multiple copies, components of the virus. And then maturation is when you put the viral components together and then release. So if it's a lytic cycle, it's just going straight through that, and it's usually damaging the tissue as you go. If it's the lysogenic cycle, then it has the ability after attachment and penetration, AP, before biosynthesis, AP biomister, if that helps you. Before biosynthesis, it integrates into the host cell chromosome. And when it does that, it's called a prophage. Think of it like a professional virus. And when it's a prophage, it can lay latent. If it's in bacteria, it can lay latent in there for years and reproduce. It has the viral genome encoded within our genome. And then something usually triggers it to re-enter the lytic cycle, anxiety, which is changing the chemicals, the homeostasis of your body, and also like the sun can make you have a cold sore come out. So your environment is changed. Lads, what's a genome? Genome is the full genetic complement of an organism. Okay, oh, that's my alarm that says the first batch is done. So I'm gonna go check it. Alexa, thank you. Stop, Alexa. So I need 1 more minute worth of time. So hopefully I'll remember. I have been known to forget. Let's see. And then somebody asked, canker sore and cold. There's no difference between a canker sore and a cold sore. I think like sometimes acidic things like oranges or lemons can bring that out. But I think it's the same. Thank you very much, NSA Topher. That is a very kind thing to say. I appreciate that. Oh, I triggered your Alexa? That is hilarious. Okay, sorry. Hey, Queen. All right. Hi, just door knob things. All right. Okay, gene expression, methylation, and histone proteins. You have histone and non-histone proteins. Histone proteins are what, they're like, DNA is wound on the histone protein. It's just for organizational purposes. I mean, that can't be underestimated. And then non-histone proteins are, could be regulatory in some measure that would help the DNA unwind. You have methylation, and these are things that could inactivate some DNA, like permanently inactive. Like, I'm not going to have any growth hormone. I can't grow higher. I can only grow wider after I eat all these cookies. Oh, has it been a minute? Nobody told me. All right, check them out. And I'm going to slide this one off. Oh, actually, yeah, I am going to slide this one. Okay. Got to put those on the cookie rack in just a minute. I dropped this. I dropped my crown. You are so cute. Okay. Oh, that one's hot enough so I can get the next one going. Do I have a paper? I do. I'm going to put it. Okay. So I had another question, and I'll just go a little bit more if you would like before my cookies cool down enough that I can eat them. Oh my gosh, there's more dough. I'm eating it. I know. I don't want to hear about it. Salmonella. You guys have your cookies yet?
Yeah, they're baking.
They're baking? Who has their cookies? Mr. O'Hagan, do you have your cookies? Oh, those look delicious. Where is our thin little one? I can't see it. Okay. So here is a finished cookie. I think I'm going to call it quits for stop giving exams, please, and homework. Well, sweetheart, I want to push you to learn. So that's what we're going to do. So learn. It's your opportunity. Make yourself powerful, strong, smart, and scientifically literate. These cookies, I hope, are going to be delicious, even though I added the vanilla late.
I don't know. How do you forget?
Yum. All right. I don't know. The next time we're going to go online, maybe we'll bake something. Let me know if that's something you would like. Show me your cookies. I don't see any cookies. I see some cookies. All right. So we've gone about 50 minutes together. It was a great time. Love you tons. I'm going to start signing off on all the different media. So bye, YouTube. Okay. Are you guys all good? Did you make good cookies? Let me know if you want it, what you want to bake next. And if we want to get ingredients out there so we all buy the same. I think I'm leaving. I don't know. Oh, I see somebody's kitchen right there. Hi, kitchen. Hi, sweetheart. Bye, you guys. Oh, you got your tinfoil. All right, guys. Love you. You're awesome. And talk to you soon, okay? Go exercise today if you haven't. I don't even know how to turn this off. Wait, I think I know that.
I still have like an hour or more. Wait, there is an hour?
Okay. Bye, guys.